I'm Frank Lebrano with FRSTeam of Houston and DFW. So the three types of rugs you're dealing with, you need to look at them, and typically they will decline in value from handmade to tufted to machine-made rugs. What you want to do on a loss is look at that rug and then flip over a corner. And if it is uneven stitching and it stays over easily, it is typically a handmade Persian rug. The second type of rug we're going to talk about is a tufted rug. Again, what you want to do is turn over a corner. On the back of a tufted rug is a canvas lining or backing that is glued or laminated to the back of it with another canvas edge. Our third and final type of rug we're going to discuss is a machine-made rug. If you turn this rug over, you will see that there is a hazy coloration on the back. And if you scratch it, it sounds like plastic. The seams are all perfectly symmetrical because it was made by a machine. These rugs are of a considerably lesser value. Never send this rug for an appraisal. They may not be cost effective to clean. So you really need to be aware of what type of rug it is. Remember, again, we only have three types. A handmade, which is the most expensive, could be worth valuing. A tufted rug, you need to know what the brand is, and a machine-made rug. And they decline in value from handmade to tufted to machine-made. Thank you, and I hope that this video was very informative. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call FRSTeam.